Greetings, dear students. Welcome to my session. In the previous two sessions, we discussed about the lesson blue jeans, in which we covered the history of blue jeans, which means where it got started, how it got started, and what is the sustainability of blue jeans these days, and the trendy brand of blue jeans from various companies, the raw materials used making blue jeans, the process of manufacturing blue jeans. We discussed 3 stages of manufacturing denim cloth. In this video, we will discuss about making the blue jeans, preparing the blue jeans, and the process after manufacturing the denim cloth. Once the desired design is selected through manufacturing process, patterns from the design are cut from heavy paper or cardboard. Up to 80 different sizes are possible from one pattern. The pieces of denim are then cut with high-speed cutting machines from staking 100 layers thick, excluding rivets, buttons, and zippers. A pair of blue jeans contain about 10 different pieces, like the pockets, the leg panels, the waistband, and the belt loops too. The pieces of denim are ready to be stitched or sewn at this point. Sewing is done in an assembly line fashion with rows of industrial human-operated sewing machines. Each assembly line worker is assigned a specific function, such as making only back pockets. At first, the various pockets and belt loops are assembled. Second, one worker attaches the pockets to the leg seams. Then, another person sews the leg seam together, and still another attaches the waistband. Once the waistband is secure, the belt loops may be stitched on and the buttons attached. If the jeans include a zipper, it is then sewn into place, and then pants are hammered. Finally, the rivets are placed in the appropriate places, and maker's label is sewn on last. Some jeans are pre-washed or stone-washed to alter the appearance or texture of the fashioned jeans. Pre-washing involves washing the jeans in industrial detergent for a short time to soften the denim. Stone washing also means washing the jeans, which actually pumic is added to the load, resulting in a faded appearance. Small stones produce an even abrasion, while large stones highlight the seams and pockets and produce a more uneven appearance. The completed pair of blue jeans is then pressed. They are placed into a large pressing machine that steam iron the entire garment at once in about a minute. A size tag is punched into the material and the jeans are folded, stacked, and placed in boxes according to style, color and size before being sent to the warehouse for storage. Dear students, hope you have understood the process of making blue jeans, from making blue jeans to packing into box. So I request you to kindly watch this video so that you will understand.
Are unrolled on this long table. This knife can cut up to 100 thicknesses of the material at a time. By multiplying the thicknesses, they produce a whole pile of pieces with one cut. They shape the denim pieces following the cutting patterns. Each piece of the jeans has its own cutting pattern. The little pieces of fabric are cut with a clicker, also known as the stamper, which cuts out pockets with a cutting mold. Exerting 1,500 pounds of pressure, it can cut 20 pockets at a time. They begin sewing. Jeans are sewn with 100% cotton thread. This needle pierces the fabric 4,000 times a minute. Designs are embroidered on the pockets with this machine. Its needles move at 2,500 strokes per minute. This pocket robot will simultaneously fold, press, and sew a pocket. This machine allows for the installation of 75 pockets in 60 minutes. The pocket is now sewn into place. Next step, the buttonhole. This machine sews the contours of the buttonhole, and a steel blade comes down to cut the opening. The closing button is positioned. This machine is used to make the loops which will hold the belt in place. The loops are sewn, as usual, with cotton thread. At this stage, they assemble the different pieces of the jeans. This operator joins the two pieces of denim at the crotch. Then she sews it. Then they sew the exterior of the leg. This sewing is done flat with an overcaster, which cuts excess material proportionately and to size. Now for the zipper. This machine installs the zipper holdfast and the slide. The zipper is sewn into its position. The final sewing step consists of installing the jeans belt, a strip of fabric. This operation requires only a few seconds. The jeans were made up on the reverse side, so that all stitches would be on the inside when the jeans are worn. The pant is then turned right side out with this turner, which has a 100-pound suction power. All that now remains is to steam press the jeans. This operation lasts only 20 seconds and eliminates any pleats. This company makes 1,500 jeans every day. Producing a pair of jeans will have taken 12 minutes and 50 seconds of work and will have required between 3.6 and 3.9 feet of fabric.
Okay, dear students, by now you have understood the process of making blue jeans. I hope you have understood something from the video. How blue jeans and the denim is made into hands. That was a good video. There is something that we can learn out of it. And after that, one thing you have to understand, who gives you quality assurance of it? Yes. Now we will get something from this control part, a quality control. Blue jeans are inspected after they are completed. If a problem can be corrected, the jeans are sent back for restitching. The pair is then inspected again and passed. The buttons are inspected to ensure that they and the buttonholes are of the proper size, proper style. Metal buttons and rivets are checked again and again, twice and more than, for durability and their ability to withstand rust. The zippers must be strong enough to withstand the greater pressures of heavy cloth, and the durability of their teeth must be checked as well. This is done by subjecting a sample zipper to a lifetime of openings and closings. This is the biggest process of making blue jeans. Hope you have understood from starting to ending the process of making it. Dear students, you have understood something out of it. You can ask me, why do we need to learn making blue jeans in engineering profession? One thing, dear students, you have to learn how to read a part and what are the technical aspects which are involved that you need to learn. The vocabulary, listening skills. There are many other things which are involved by learning blue jeans, and by this something you have learned today, preparing a blue jeans. And no one knows till now how does a blue jean prepare. Now we have learned. It is not a good sign. We will meet again getting some comprehension questions. Till then, thank you students. Till then, take care and happy learning.